Hey, honey, can you take a package for mommy?
Okay, Mom.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom, honey, out to play.
Okay, honey, have fun. Honey, I have bad news for you. Are you ready?
What's going on?
These are our medical expenses from the doctor last month, and we cannot afford it.
Oh gosh, no. This is the bill for the ear cleaning and the emergency removal of a foreign object from the child's ear canal. This is way too expensive.
I know. But don't worry, I also have good news. We don't have to pay for this anymore.
Seriously? How can we do that?
This is the Bebird Home 30X. We can take care of our ears at home.
Really? Does it have any special features?
Introducing Bebird Home 30X, your family's ultimate ear care solution. With its flexible otoscope, easily examine narrow and curved ear canals, ensuring comfort for all ages. Swap out tweezer attachments for safe removal of ear wax and foreign objects, guided by precise lens. Comes with a variety of accessories for easy cleaning and relaxation, ensuring convenience. Effortlessly apply ear care solutions with the liquid medication delivery head, reducing the need for medical visits. With 3 magnetic compartments, it's perfect for the whole family. Keep ears clean and uncontaminated.
This thing's going to save us so much money.
It's awesome!